Hi everyone, and welcome to the TriStar Hidden Treasures Baseball Box Break. Let's get into it. With 9 spots, we have Cantali. With 1 spot, we have John. With 7 spots, we have BEB PK7. With 1 spot, we have James. With 1 spot, we have Bryce. With 3 spots, we have JTU. With 5 spots, we have KBA. With 1 spot, we have Garbald. With 1 spot, we have Geo. And with 1 spot, we have Eva Hale. Alright, let's copy and paste our list on randomize.org. Alright, we'll be randomizing our list 5 times. I'm gonna try to, yeah, that's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, on the top we have BEB PK7, and at the bottom we have Cantali. Alright, let's copy our new list. Alright. Alright, here's our teams. BEB with the Diamondbacks, Cantali with the Braves, BEB with the Orioles, Cantali with the Red Sox and Cubs, James with the White Sox, Cantali with the Reds, KBA with the Indians, JTU with the Rockies, KBA with the Tigers, Cantali with the Astros and Royals, Garbald with the Angels, Geo with the Dodgers, BEB with the Marlins, KBA with the Brewers, Eva with the Twins, BEB with the Mets, John with the Yankees, Cantali with the Athletics, KBA with the Phillies and Pirates, BEB with the Padres, Cantali with the Giants, BEB with the Mariners, Bryce with the Cardinals, JTU with the Rays and Rangers, BEB with the Blue Jays, and Cantali with the Nationals. Alright, let's open up our box. Sealed on all sides. Alright, let's open it up. Also want to let you know, I'm going to be actually, I think in a week now, the new TriStar baseballs are going to come out, the 2018 ones. Alright, let's remove the seal. And I'm going to buy some Platinum Edition, which are like 3 times the price of this one. So if you want, you could check that out. Alright, let's open up our box. I'll be doing those within a week. Alright. See the thing. I think that says Rookie of the Year. Alright, let's get the card. Alright. It is Pat Zachary. NL Rookie of the Year. All-Star World Series champ with the Reds. That's a nice autograph. Very nice. Alright. Let's see what team he played for the longest. And that will determine who gets the ball. There he is. There's a picture of him in a Mets hat. On Baseball Reference. Let's see. All right. He played 6 years with the Mets, 2 with the Dodgers, 2 with the Reds, and 1 with the Phillies. So it looks like he played for the longest, the New York Mets. So the ball's going to go to the Mets. See who's got the Mets? New York Mets. All right, it looks like it's going to BEBPK7. All right, BEBPK7, you want a Pat Zachary autograph baseball. I'm gonna post it. I already posted another one. I have some baseball card ones. There's over 10 winners, around 12. And I still have the football ones. Last break, I pulled a Dan Marino autograph out of that one. And there's supposed to be a lot of big ones in that one. All right. Thanks for joining, and have a great day.